Hey crazy cuties, welcome to my channel. My name is Eyescream. You're here. I'm a creative freak E who loves to play with makeup. You've been here before. Welcome back. Okay, today's video is the unbagging of the Ice Cream Beauty. I got the bag. It costs $16.50. That's plus shipping, by the way. So it was $12.50, and of course they had to do shipping, so I'm believing it was like $4 or something like that. So it'd be $16.50. So that's fine by me. I don't mind that actually, because still a lower price, a lot better than $21.99 to a point, but that's just here and there. So we got some cool, cute products. So I might continue getting this bag. I don't know yet, depending on the products I get. Sometimes I skip a month, depending, whatever, like this November, I'm actually skipping Ipsy because I was kind of disappointed for this October month, and I was just like bummed, and I'm like, yeah, time to take a break from Ipsy for right now, but I will go back to it soon. But for right now, it's this Ice Cream Beauty bag. They do have a box. I don't know what that price is, but I know this is $12.50, so this is like a budget thing. So there we go. So very excited. So for October, you get what the card is. So trick or treat. So that's what we got. Okay. Ooh, we got the Ace Beauty or Beauté Pout Perfect lipstick, and I got the shade Best Life. Ooh, look at this packaging. Look at this packaging. I like the formula, the eyeshadow formula of Ace Beauty, and I'm just like, oh, definitely want to try more of those products. And I'm just like, see. So let's see. I like the packaging. Okay, is this the color? I feel like I already have this color in my collection, so I'm not gonna swatch or anything like that. Look like it matches my lipstick that I have on, and I'm just saying, yeah, I'm definitely not gonna keep this because I feel like I said before, I feel like I already have this in my collection. And yes, the packaging is adorable, and I do like the packaging, but if I already have the color in my collection, I'm not gonna keep it. So the next product I got, is the Italia Deluxe Star Trek Liquid Glitter Brillo. But I'm definitely not gonna keep this. I like Italia Deluxe. I like their lip liners. I definitely want to try more Italia Deluxe, but for glitter, not so much, because when I don't care for glitter eyeliner, I don't think it would work for me, and I am not going to keep it. So what would you get? You get a trick or treat. This was a choice. There was a choice if you want the trick. What was the Sugar Drizzle Cosmetic Highlighter Palette that cost $40, and the treat for the Gourmet Girls Cosmetics or Gourmandies palette was $40. I actually saw that palette with one of people that I am subscribed to who get this bag, and to tell the truth, I did not want to get that palette. If I got it, I got it. I would try the formula, but the color story wasn't it for me. So we got it. Great. Wonderful. So yeah, so let's see what we got. Ooh, yay. I can tell what this is. It's the Sugar Drizzle eyeshadow highlighter palette. Oh my goodness. This is actually my first time ever getting Sugar Drizzle, and I've really wanted to try this brand. It is an indie brand, and it's a small business brand, but it's on the top of the mountain underneath the stars. Oh my gosh. And it's cost $40, and that's a lot. That's expensive for a highlighter palette, or a palette for me, because on a budget, I like I like sales, okay? I like sales and deals. Who doesn't? Who likes, you know. So, I cannot wait to play with this. Oh, man. This is like it definitely has a white base to it, but is it actually a multi-chrome, a duochrome eye highlighter? Which I really don't have this in my collection, which is awesome. Definitely got some blues, some golden pinks, a little bit of peach, pink, and a nice one. I am not going to swatch these because I just don't feel like doing that. But I don't know if y'all can see that. I think y'all can see that. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely want to play with this one because I want to do like a blue look, an icy blue look. I think that would work with this moonlit sky. This is like Color Me. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I can do so many looks, especially with dark eyeshadows. This will be like perfect. Of course, you put it on your face. It's a highlighter palette. But yay! For $40, yes. Can't wait to try the formula. And 2, I get to try Sugar Drizzle. I'm so excited, can't you tell? So I'm definitely gonna keep this. So we only get 3 products, which is fine for $12.50 technically, plus shipping be $16.50, like I said. But so let's go. We got 40. The Ace Beauty Pout Perfect lipstick is actually $16, and of course the Italia Deluxe duochrome liner is $5. So we have $61 minus $12.50. So technically we say $48.50. If we take the shipping away, add the shipping, minus the shipping, because I'm not adding the shipping because it doesn't make sense. So for the back is $12.50. It's $48.50. So we actually save $48.50. That's how much we save out of this bag. Yes, $48, saving that, yes, saves me money, which I do like, especially a lot going on. And it's just fuckers. But yes, I'm very excited to try out this highlighter palette. I cannot wait to play with these colors. Oh my gosh, using dark eyeshadow with these, yes, gotta love that. Oh, yes. But yes, so did you get this bag? Did you get the box? Did you enjoy the products that you got? Did you like it or not? What do you feel about this month's bag? I really do like this bag. I think it was good. Yeah, I give it a double thumbs up on that one. I give it 5 stars because you got 2 indie brands, that are quite expensive, and of course you got one. Well, technically there's 3 indie brands, but you got one. It's affordable, really affordable. And of course you got the 2 ones that are really good. But I know one is really good. Ace Beauty is really good, and this is my first time trying out Sugar Drizzle. I actually want to try out more of Sugar Drizzle, so very excited about that. But yes, so make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this kind of content. You want to see more of Eyescream Beauty Bag, please let me know down below if you want to see more of the subscription. And make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to be part of the crazy cuties clan. We're drama free and judgment free here. We welcome everybody here. And of course, we might be a little crazy, but we cute at the same time. And of course, make sure the notification bell so you get notified of any new videos I upload. Yes, I am so excited. And I hope you have a wonderful day or night, wherever you're at. I love you, and God bless. Bye!